Hi, this is Gary Parker with Gary Buys Houses, and we're here today in a Kearns neighborhood to talk about a question we get all the time from people that contact us. And that is, should we sell our house to an investor or should we list our house on the MLS? This is a great place to talk about this question because there happens to be a house for sale just a few houses down the street, and there's a house right here that we purchased about a month and a half ago. So let's talk about that question of should I sell to an investor or list my house on the MLS? Let's talk about selling your house for cash to an investor versus listing your house with an agent on the MLS while we look at some images and video of this Kearns neighborhood. As I mentioned, people want to know the difference between listing their house and selling their house to an investor fairly often when they call us. Well, let's go over some of those options. With us, there are no realtors, no fees, no commissions, no cleaning, no repairs, and we buy older new houses, and we can offer several moving options, including free rent so you can move stress-free, cash advances before we close, and we even have a rent back option to help you. And we can close in about 5 days. Listing your house with an agent will take at least 6 weeks. Then you'll have people show up to take pictures. All of the people that want to buy your house are going to want to see the house before they make an offer. And then you have inspections, appraisals, and then hopefully a closing. If the sale does fail, it can add another 4 to 6 weeks. And so it could easily take 12 weeks for your house to sell. But you will net a little bit more money by listing your house. If you're considering selling your house to a local house buying company in Utah, click the Learn More button to review all of the details between listing your house and selling your house to a professional. I look forward to talking to you about your house that you need to sell.